The origins of Islam in Africa. The origins of Islam in ancient Africa can be traced back to the 7th century, when Muslim traders and missionaries began to make contact with local African populations. One of the earliest examples of this contact was the migration of a group of Muslims, led by the Prophet Muhammad's cousin and son-in-law, Ali ibn Abi Talib, to the Ethiopian kingdom of Aksum. According to Muslim tradition, in the early years of Islam, when persecution of Muslims was rampant in Mecca, a small group of Muslims sought refuge in Aksum, which was ruled by a Christian king named Negus. The Muslims were welcomed and allowed to practice their faith freely, which led to the spread of Islam within the kingdom. From Aksum, Islam spread further south along the East African coast through trade routes. Muslim traders from Arabia and the Persian Gulf established commercial links with African coastal communities, introducing Islam to people in present-day Somalia, Kenya, Tanzania, and Mozambique. One of the most significant early converts to Islam in Africa was Bilal ibn Rabah, a former slave from Arabia, who became one of the closest companions of the Prophet Muhammad. Bilal's conversion to Islam played a crucial role in attracting other Africans to the faith. Additionally, the rise of the Islamic empires of the Umayyads and Abbasids in the Middle East further facilitated the spread of Islam to Africa. Muslim scholars and missionaries were sent to various regions of Africa to spread the teachings of Islam and establish Islamic institutions. Islamic empires and states were established in different parts of Africa, including the Ghana Empire, the Mali Empire, and the Songhai Empire, which adopted Islam as their official religion. These empires became centers of Islamic learning and culture, attracting scholars and students from across the Muslim world. In West Africa, Islam spread through the efforts of influential scholars and preachers, known as marabouts, who promoted the teachings of Islam among local populations. These marabouts played a significant role in the Islamization of regions such as Senegal, Mali, and Niger. In conclusion, the origins of Islam in ancient Africa can be traced back to the 7th century, with the migration of Muslims to the Ethiopian kingdom of Aksum. From there, Islam spread along trade routes and through the efforts of Muslim scholars and missionaries. The adoption of Islam by influential African empires and the activities of local preachers further facilitated the spread of the faith.